Congratulations on reaching 100,000 miles on your diesel vehicle. That's a major achievement. Your engine is just getting warmed up for the long haul. Many diesel owners push their rigs well past 250,000, 300,000, or even 400,000 miles with smart, proactive care. But here's the reality most people overlook. The maintenance approach that carried you this far needs serious evolution now. What worked perfectly at lower mileage can lead to premature wear or costly breakdowns if you stick to the same routine. The shifts aren't sudden or extreme, but they're consistent across high-mileage diesel experiences. Engines accumulate subtle wear, more blow-by, slightly looser tolerances, aged seals. That changes how contaminants build up and how components stress over time. Owners who adapt their strategy thrive. Those who don't often face surprise repairs that dwarf the vehicle's remaining value. Stick around to the end, because change number 10 exposes a so-called lifetime fluid that tricks countless owners into massive repair bills when it finally gives out. Let's dive into the key adjustments that separate the high-mileage success stories from the regretful ones. Change number 1. Shorten your oil change intervals. Yes, make them more frequent. It sounds counterintuitive, but as your diesel ages, the engine generates more blow-by gases due to normal ring and cylinder wear. Valve stem seals loosen slightly, leading to higher oil consumption and faster contamination of the lubricant. What used to stay clean at 7,500 miles now shows elevated soot, fuel dilution, and wear metals much sooner. Real-world oil analysis from veteran diesel owners confirms this pattern. Post 100K, samples taken at longer intervals reveal higher contamination levels than earlier in the engine's life. If you've been running 7,500-mile changes, step down to 5,000 to 6,000 miles. If you're already at 5,000, consider tightening to 4,000 to 4,500 miles. The extra oil expense is tiny compared to the protection gained. Cleaner internals, reduced bearing wear, and extended engine life. By 200,000 miles, some owners drop even further to 4,000 miles, and their used oil reports still show excellent wear protection. It's not overkill, it's matching reality. Change number 2. Make injector evaluation a must-do priority. Common rail injectors face brutal pressures, often over 23,000 psi, and precision tolerances that degrade gradually from deposits, heat cycles, and fuel quality issues. While some last 300,000 plus miles under ideal conditions, consistent high-quality fuel, regular long drives, strict maintenance, others falter much earlier due to poor habits like cheap diesel, excessive idling, or short-trip driving. Around 100,000 miles, shift from inspect if there's an issue to test proactively. A professional injector bench test, checking spray pattern, leakback volume, and balance, typically runs $150 to $300 and pinpoints problems early. Avoid blanket replacement unless needed. That can hit $1,200 to $2,500 unnecessarily. Protect them ongoing. Run a high-quality common rail-specific injector cleaner. Brands like Liquimoly, Hotshot Secret, or Stanadyne. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. At $15 to $25 per treatment, it's cheap insurance against $300 to $500 per injector replacements. Or worse, the chain reaction damage from a failed injector washing down cylinder walls, diluting oil, and risking total engine failure. Change number 3. Debunk the lifetime transmission fluid myth before it bankrupts you. Manufacturers love calling automatic transmission fluid lifetime, but that's marketing speak for the warranty period, not real-world durability. Heat, clutch material shedding, and oxidation degrade it over time, turning it into a gritty, abrasive soup that accelerates wear. The horror stories of fluid changes causing failures almost always involve transmissions that were already on their last legs, shuddering, slipping. Where the flush dislodged sludge, too late to save it. Owners who change fluid preventively at 100,000 miles, or earlier if never done, when shifts are still smooth, report no issues in transmissions lasting 250,000, 300,000 plus miles. The safe approach? Drop the pan, replace the filter, refill with the exact spec fluid, no shortcuts, and avoid aggressive power flushes. Follow up every 40,000 to 60,000 miles thereafter. Budget $200 to $400 per service, versus $3,000, $6,000 for a rebuild? The choice is obvious. Change number 4. Treat coolant as a wear item, not a set-it-and-forget-it fluid. Extended life coolants promise 100,000 to 150,000 miles or 10 years, but corrosion inhibitors break down far sooner in real use. Once depleted, the fluid turns acidic, quietly eating away at aluminum heads, radiators, heater cores, and gaskets. High-mileage diesel owners who trusted the lifetime claim often face sudden head gasket issues, clogged heaters, or radiator failures around 110,000 to 140,000 miles, repairs easily reaching $1,000, $2,000 plus. A proactive flush and refill at 100,000 miles, or 5 years max, costs $100, $200 and prevents that nightmare. Test pH if you're skeptical, but most just change it and avoid the risk. Change number 5. Ramp up fuel system vigilance. Early in life, your diesel shrugs off minor fuel impurities. After 100,000 miles, tolerances tighten, water sensitivity increases, and deposits accumulate faster. Marginal fuel quality that was tolerable before now accelerates injector wear, high-pressure pump strain, and filter clogging. Action items: shorten fuel filter changes from 20,000 to 10,000, 15,000 miles. Add lubricity-enhancing plus injector cleaning additives every few tanks, not cetane boosters alone. Be pickier about stations. Avoid low-turnover pumps with old fuel. These habits cost pennies per mile, but save thousands in pump or injector repairs. Change number 6. Show your turbo genuine respect. Turbos frequently outlast 200,000, 300,000 miles when babied, but post 100K, accumulated wear on bearings, seals, and vanes leaves less forgiveness for neglect. Hard stops without cool-down, skipped oil services, or low oil pressure now cause rapid degradation. Commit to proper cool-down periods after heavy loads or high boost. Never cut corners on oil quality or intervals. Monitor for signs like increased oil use, smoke, unusual whine, or shaft play. Respect it more now, and it'll reward you with many more miles. Change number 7. Re-emphasize transmission fluid discipline. We touched on this, but it bears repeating because ignoring it destroys more high-mileage diesels than almost anything else. Lifetime fluid leads to overheating, varnish buildup, and early clutch hydraulic failures. Regular changes keep things cool, clean, and shifting smoothly, well past 250,000 miles. Change number 8. Monitor and address subtle oil consumption increases. Slightly higher usage is normal aging, but watch closely. Rising levels can signal worn guides, rings, or turbo seals. Address early to prevent bigger issues. Change number 9. Inspect belts, hoses, and ancillary components more frequently. Rubber ages, cracks form, and small leaks become big problems faster now. Proactive replacement prevents roadside failures. Change number 10. That lifetime fluid your manual promises? It's often the transmission fluid, but wait, many diesels also list coolant or even certain engine oils as lifetime. Owners who believe these labels literally end up with corroded cooling systems, sludged transmissions, or contaminated crankcases, leading to repairs exceeding the car's worth. The manual protects the manufacturer, not your wallet. Real longevity demands changing these fluids based on condition and mileage, not blind faith. Adapt these changes, stay consistent, and your diesel can deliver exceptional service for hundreds of thousands more miles. You've already proven it's capable. Now give it the care it deserves to keep going strong.